Hi, and welcome to another unboxing video. This is the Nike Air, another Air Force One, and this is the special edition Air Force One 07 PRM black white laser crimson. So UK size 9.5 and 10.5 US. So what's so unique about this shoe? Okay, so I got it from JD Sports. And like always, they give you a free plastic bag. Not very environment friendly, but I like the bag. So here, okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, so looks quite normal, but there are a few things quite unique here, as you might have noticed. This is the on one side you've got the normal swoosh. So leather, but on this side you got this one which can be removed. It comes with a zip, and it comes with this zip which this logo or shoes which you can take off and replace with others here. So they got a white, fluorescent pink, two white and two fluorescent pink. Not to everybody's taste, I guess. So it's slightly different. Even the the what do you call this here? It's in the air is big. So it says Air Force Ones here. Quite light for and one of my favorite shoes, sneakers. So it says Nike and Swoosh name and stripe are trademarks, and your guarantee of quality. Swoosh and Nike Team Swoosh in some other language. Okay.